Hello everyone, I hope you are fine with good health. Today we will talk about the origin graph, that how you will plot the origin graph and how you will edit that. Before going to video, kindly subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, kindly press the like button and press the bell icon for the next video, and also share this video and share this channel to everyone. So let's start the video. First of all, you will open origin. Go to import single. And choose the file in your system. Go to all files and choose the text file for the graph. The data is given in the two columns. This will be the x-axis and this will be the y-axis of the graph. So you can select in two ways, like this, and and then go to the plot option, line graph, and the second option is you can also direct plot this graph by selecting this. If you want to select this, you can click here and you will select the both columns, and then go to this line graph. There are the different options of to plot a graph, like this will be in the line, horizontal step, vertical steps, and subline connected. This will be in the scatter form, and this will be the line and the symbol form. So mostly graphs are given in the line form, so we will select this. So this is the graph that we will plot from the text file. So now we will edit this graph. So this is the IR graph. So this IR graph range is given in the 0 to 4500. We will change it from the 45 to the 0. So you can change the x-axis, y-axis, width and colors of the graph as you like. So we want to change the scale first. So go to scale. We will change it to the 4500 to 0. You can change as what you want to do. Here is the increment. You can change the increment. I am given the 500 increment to this graph. You can also give different, like 1000. So we also give 1000. Yes. And you can also give the counts here. In this, there are the small lines between the numbers. These are the counts. You can give 1, 2, 3 as you want. Then we go to the pick labels to format, and we can change the font size here and the size of the x-axis. Mostly 36 is given in the research articles. We can bold the line here, then go to the line and tricks. You can also increase the thickness of the line. You can also change the color of the line. And go to OK. Now you can see. Similarly, we can change the y-axis. scale is okay, I think, or we can do 50 increment and count some. Okay, go to pick labels, go to format. We can also change the font size. I'm okay with it, so I will not change it. 36, bold, and then line and bricks. Axis and y-axis thickness and boldness and size and font size should be similar. You can also write the x-axis and y-axis like this. Select. You can also change its font size and size. You can also bold it. It looks good. Then you can also change the position of the x-axis. Similarly, you can also write this. Change the size. They are also similar, but you can also change them according to your choice. You can also change the width of the graph. Double click it and go to the width. You can also change the style here. I'm okay with this style. And the compound style. Width, I want to change the width to 4. I think 3 is okay. You can also change the transparency, and you can increase the transparency. I'm okay with it. You can change the color of the graph. Okay, so this is the graph. You can also change these gaps here. If I change the scale like from 4000, this is up to you if you want to change it or not. You can also, this mostly IR graphs are from 4000 to 400, so this is okay. You can also type here your compound name. You can change the size and font size here. If you don't want the box, you can also remove this by just click it and press delete. You can also remove this line of the box. Click, go to properties, go to frame, in the box select none, then OK. You can also change the position. Okay. You can also convert this file to the TIFF file that is mostly attached in the research article in the TIFF form. So go to file, export graph, open dialog, and from here select image type, that is the tag image file TIFF. So choose the browser, you can save this graph where you want to save. Choose the project own format OPJ. So when you will you can also direct open this file from the folder. So select the OPJ file to save your origin graph. Let's see, and you can see that the graph is present here. This is the TIFF file that can be attached in the research article. So I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe the channel.